Carmelo Anthony was robbed of a fair trial. Let's talk about it. Anthony was robbed of a fair trial in more ways than one. The first one being is having a defense attorney that was willing to fight for you. I'm not sure where his family got this legal team from, but they did not do their homework. There is a video that has surfaced on the internet of how his attorney represents his client. Take a look at this clip.
So what kind of lawyer do you want? Do you want an aggressive junkyard dog who's going to fight for you hard? Or do you want somebody who has a reputation as, easy to get along with? The answer might surprise you. While of course it's important to have somebody who fights for your rights and stands up for you, if they are that aggressive junkyard dog, the risk can be that they end up being obnoxious or offensive to judges, to prosecutors, and even to juries if your case goes to trial. And so having somebody who knows how to walk that balance, who knows how to stand up for your rights and fight for you, but knows how to do it at the right time.
What this video shows is that this attorney is clearly worried about his reputation. Now, I'm going up against murder. I want a junkyard dog. And I don't give a damn how they feel about you. You're supposed to be there to win for me. And I knew when he allowed an all-white jury, there was going to be a problem. I knew when he allowed for them to bring in a grainy video when we clearly had people stating they saw the original video and it was not grainy, it was clear, to show where this young man was innocent and he was jumped not by one boy, but by 4 boys. I knew that Karmelo was going to lose this case. But yet, this is the attorney that his family chose. And for that attorney not to contest that video, knowing that's the oldest trick in the book. They used to show the grainy videos when they went to the suppression hearing during the drug cases. Look it up. They have case law on it where cases were overturned because the DA and the police tampered with the video and made it grainy where the jury couldn't see what was going on. Come on now. That was corruption from the attorney. Who recommended this particular legal team to this family? Well, there's a video surfacing that kind of tells us how this family came about of this legal team. When I say corruption, that's exactly what I mean. Take a look at this clip.
His own representation. And the family did not know that. He originally had black representation by the name of Kim Cole, but you had a snake motherfucker from Dallas who know better, who has brainwashed the bottom feeders of Dallas, that he's a pro-activist, but he's really a sellout. And he has sold out every black family that ever had a white case that he ever represented. He sells them out in the background. So how did we get here? From the beginning. The family was coerced into hiring white Collin County representations to represent this boy. That swallowed the whole case up whole. And now Dominique Alexander, the pro-black activist that everybody loves and looks up to, his mammy is in my inbox and on social media trying to fight me to create a distraction that her son sold out Carmelo Anthony, and I spoke out publicly on the shit that everybody talking about behind his back.
There you have it. Shout out to comedian Sky for coming out and explaining the truth, who lives there and know those counties, understand the legal process. When I say this case was totally corrupted from start to finish, corrupted. Here's another young man along with Karmelo, same situation, he didn't get half his time. The U.S. court system is corrupt. Karmelo Anthony's case was corrupt from the start. Drop down in the comments how you feel about this Karmelo Anthony's attorney and his representation for this young man during his trial. Don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more controversial topics.